All right, let's take you outside to the clouds we are seeing over parts of the county, and that includes La Jolla at UCSD. It is overcast right now. In fact, our beaches, to some areas about 5 miles inland or so, we are seeing those thick clouds. If you're farther to the south, Imperial Beach is still seeing our sunny skies, but basically from Point Loma all the way up to Oceanside and Camp Pendleton, it's pretty overcast right now. And you can see that just on our color contouring on our map, from the greens at the coast where in their 60s to the reds inland where we're in the 90s, and then you're heading out into the deserts, we're in the pinks. 108 in Ocotillo Wells right now. Warner Springs, Julian, Ramona, Campbell, all in the 90s. Meanwhile, downtown at 71 degrees, 71 also in Vista. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty similar day to today, maybe a degree or two cooler here or there, but along our coast, I expect to see slightly better clearing. So those areas that do clear out, you will also be warmer. A lot of areas topped off in the 60s today. I'm only forecasting a few tomorrow. We'll mostly be in the 70s. 76 at the Oceanside Airport, 74 in downtown, near 90 in Escondido, Poway, and in El Cajon. And there were a few spots in Poway and in Escondido today that did climb up to the 90s. Ramona, we hit about 93 degrees. I'm forecasting 94 degrees tomorrow. Or excuse me, we hit 95 degrees. I'm forecasting 94 degrees, 91 in Alpine, 80s in the mountains, and another hot one in the deserts. So we have this high pressure system that's typically bringing the warmer air, but we also have that marine layer. So our natural air conditioner is working a little bit different than when we deal with these high pressure systems during the summer months. And then a few storm systems are actually going to be passing by well to the north of us this week. Not expecting any rain from us, but it will enhance our marine layer as it passes. So tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., many of the coast and inland neighborhoods waking up to low clouds, a little bit of patchy fog possible for your commute. And by the afternoon, most of the county is going to be seeing sunnier skies, but there could be some pockets right at the beaches to maybe a couple miles inland that do see uneven clearing. So that's going to be the trend this week. Inland neighborhoods, morning clouds, patchy fog, you'll clear out to sunny skies. The mountains and deserts most of this week will be about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal. We're actually going to be a few degrees cooler than normal along our coast. We'll continue temperatures in the 70s. Wednesday and Thursday, as that storm passes by to the north of us, I do think we'll see more stubborn marine layer clouds. Inland neighborhoods, we're also going to see temperatures taper off by the end of the week into the weekend. In the low to mid 80s, will be a little bit cooler than normal by then. The mountains, you should be at about 77, 76 degrees. The closest we're going to get is on Sunday. Otherwise, we're staying in the 80s, though it won't be quite as warm by the end of the week. And the deserts, we also aren't going to be cooling off to the low 100s until Sunday and Monday when we're down to 102.